Chapter 16 Birds and Insects. Hello, nature explorers. We see birds and insects around us. Let's name them and learn one small fact. Birds. Birds have feathers, beaks, and most can fly. Point to each picture and speak with me. Sparrow. A small brown bird found near homes. Pigeon, often seen on buildings and parks. Vulture, a big bird that eats dead animals and cleans nature. Eagle, strong bird with sharp eyes. Peacock, our national bird with a colorful tail. Parrot, green bird that can copy sounds. Insects. Insects are small, have 6 legs, and many have wings or feelers. Scorpion has a stinger, stay away. Termite, tiny insect that eats wood, keep books and wood dry. Caterpillar, baby of a butterfly. Spider has 8 legs, not an insect, but makes webs. Cockroach runs fast, likes dark places, keep the kitchen clean. Beetle, hard shiny body called a shell. Great job, nature explorers. Keep watching birds and insects kindly and safely.